Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel. Maybe you've already noticed that I always strap my bag on my handlebar, but that's about to change today. I got inspired by this rack right over here. This is the Carradice Bagman 2 with the support. Obviously I don't have the money to buy one, so I'm going to make my own. So first, we need 2 bike saddle double water aluminum alloy bottle holder cage adapter. Quite a lengthy name for such a small thing. So we need 2 of those. The next thing that we need is a bike basket support. What I want to do is to put these 2 bike saddle double water aluminum alloy bottle holder cage adapter opposite and upside down each other. But first, we need to remove the threaded eyelets in one of them. So to remove the eyelets, I will be using my socket wrench, an 8mm Allen key, and of course, the tried and tested hammer. The next thing we need to do is to tighten the loops of this bike basket support, and we'll do that using pliers and the good old hammer. I ended up bending the loop sideways because if it's straight it wouldn't fit the shape of the seat stay of the frame, so that's an additional task that we had to do. Attaching the rack into the saddle became quite of a challenge because there's not a lot of space underneath the saddle to move my fingers around. But good thing for me, I had a lot of training back in the day, putting in my fingers into tight spots like my nose to remove my nose hairs. What are you thinking, you pervert? So after attaching the bike basket support and tightening the bolts, I bent the end part of it to the shape of my liking. And now that everything's done, bolts are tightened, all we need to do is to put the bag on. So right here I'm using an inexpensive bag. This used to be a hip back bag that I converted into a handlebar bag, and now I'll be using it as a saddlebag. But you can use a much wider bag like Carradice bags. Here is my DIY saddlebag rack in its final form. I even added my tripod, and it seems to be sturdy enough to carry it. So what I did next is I went out for a short ride so I can show you my ass. No, I mean the saddlebag rack. Well, I know you're wondering how much I spent to build this DIY saddlebag rack. Well, it didn't cost me a fortune. It's actually very cheap. It only cost me 290 Philippine peso. That is equivalent to $5.12 USD. Oh boy, isn't she pretty? And I'll be linking all the materials that I used in the video description below. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to share, because I need all the help and love to make this channel grow. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!